The purpose of this video is to demonstrate our Quiz-Lockout system called the LineUp. During this video, we're going to see what the system looks like, how it sets up, and how it operates. This system is very similar to our popular deluxe chain link Quiz-Lockout system that we made for many years, and we'll talk about the differences in just a minute. This system features one player box for each player and a light on top of each player. You see here we have a light on top, handheld button. And in this video we're going to go ahead and show, we're going to demonstrate with 4 players in terms of how it operates. As you can see, we have a cord that goes between each player, and we have one long cord that goes to our controller, which we'll show right now. This is the quiz controller, and we'll show how this hooks up and how it operates. We have to have the cord from the power supply, and then we plug in the cord into one of the teams. We'll go ahead and plug it into Team A. Now, as you can see, the green indicators are on for each of the player boxes. That means that each of these players is ready to ring in. The first player who rings in, the light flashes briefly, and the system makes a sound, and this light will remain lit until we clear the system for the next question, which is how we press the reset button right here. Now we're ready for the next question. We lock out all the other players on this team and all the other teams that are plugged in. A nice feature of this system is called the bonus mode. On the controller we have 4 buttons, one for each team, and if we press the bonus button, it'll turn on all the lights for everybody on that team, which is very useful in competitions where bonus questions are asked. We can see that everybody on the team is eligible to answer the question. When the bonus mode is over, we clear the system for the next question. Now, adding a player is very easy. Like we said, this is basically a chain linked system. And all we need is an extra player box, the cord, and the handheld button that the player will use. We'll go ahead and we'll plug one together right now. We have a 2-foot cord that plugs in here. And then we have a cord that plugs in here. And then we have to plug in our handheld button right here. As you can see, the little green light is on, and that player is now ready to ring in. That player was the first to ring in. Everyone's locked out. And as before, we can press the bonus button for the bonus mode for that team. We press reset for clear. One very popular feature of our systems is the option to switch the system into pause mode. For example, during a break or a timeout when you don't want anybody to ring in. The switch right here on the controller switches between the run mode and the pause mode. When we push the rocker switch down, this indicator turns off, and if somebody presses a button, the system won't ring in. Switch the system back to run, and you're ready for the competition to resume.